I used to like, even before I knew URBEX was a thing, I used to be curious about this place. It was just creepy and big, and yeah, and now I'm finally here. That's mad. Today I'm in an abandoned factory. Now, I've wanted to get into this place for ages. I'm pretty nervous because I'm doing this one on my own, and it's quite a large building, but we're here, and what the fuck, I guess. Onwards and outwards, I guess, people. So I'm not going to stick around the bottom too long. The reason for this is because basically this torch is not very reliable. Wow. So yeah, like I said, this torch isn't very reliable, so I don't want to stay in the dark for too long. I'm going to try and find the stairs that lead us up to the factory part of the building. I won't need my light as much. It's kind of cool though, the electric's there. Scary stairs. Jesus. So what I think I'll do is I'll try to get to the factory part, and then if we cannot explore that when we have time, we'll check out this place. I guess this is how we get into the factory section. I don't remember where I clear up as well. Shit, I'm too easy, man. We finally found the light. Yo! Wow. So I'm gonna have to be pretty cautious. This floor is quite deteriorated. The stuff they used to make, different colours you could get and stuff. It's quite amazing, really. A lot of broken glass. The looks like something on the floor. Jesus. Okay. We're gonna do this one carefully, I think. The old computer there, there's a lot of smashed glass. It's insane. Oh, and some Mr. Kipling fucking... Too many choices, I don't fucking know, I don't bother. I know it's going to scare the shit out of me when it closes. Yo, that's fucking creepy down there, man. So we're gonna have to go that other stairwell. The goal for this one today is... Well, I said it would scare me. The goal for this one today is to try and get on the roof. That's my main mission. There's a little rooftop bit that you can walk on, and I've always been curious about it. So we're going to try and get on there. I actually feel a bit emotional coming in here. Just like when I was little, I used to like, even before I knew URBEX was a thing, I used to be curious about this place. It was just creepy and big, and yeah, and now I'm finally here, so that's mad. Onwards and upwards. I'm rushing to get upstairs. I'll come down for photographs and that and explore in a bit more detail. For now, let's keep going. I hate these at the corner here. The further up the place you go, the more fucked up it gets. Women's bathroom. Still nicer than the men's. Computers and that here. I'm also trying to rush to get to the top because I want to see the roof before I get caught if I do this. This is crazy, man. I'm sorry I'm being so vague, I keep saying that, but I'll explain why. No, these floors. All those old computers there. This is insane. So that's the part of the building we want to get to. I feel like I'm in the wrong place. As I feel like this actually... Look at all this glass back. I feel like this actually will go out onto the roof. And not the roof I want to be on. Look at this shit. The people working down there. Crazy shit, man. So that's what we want to get. Up there, just past that pillar, is the roof piece we want to get to. That's where we want to get to. Gee. Honestly guys, I'm a bit lost. So I can know where I am in the building, but I don't know how to get to where I want to go, really. All the sounds, probably pigeons or fucking rat or something. What a shit blowing in the wind. I can't believe I have a fucking battery's died already. That's pissed out. Oh man. I need to work out where the fuck I am, really. Oh man, I'm lost now. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Now that's some scary shit. Look at this shit. Right now I'm thinking this is fucking idiot. Yeah. This is fucking creepy, man. Yo. I actually don't know really where I came from. Right. Okay. It's labelled. Okay, we've done it fast. Yo. This is insane. I mean, it's pretty empty. But, gee. Oh man. You see, we're into the building down there now. So that's where we were walking along before, but I couldn't really walk along there because it's not safe. This place is insane. Jesus. Yo, there's a piano. So if you didn't know, I'm a musician. I produce music, I play the piano, I play the guitar, and I also rap. So that's cool to me. This floor is pretty scary, man. I'm walking to the sides, but I mean it feels solid, but that doesn't mean it is, you know. And if you go on my TikTok, I've got a story about the time that I climbed that roof there. It's quite interesting. Water dripping out the ceiling and shit, that's scary. So as we get higher up the building, as you would expect, it gets a bit more run down because it's more exposed to the weather. I'm currently filming a POV, you can see from our head, for the roof climb. So we are being pretty quick. We just want to hurry against the roof before I do anything else. Hello? Some people probably think it's weird that I call out. I call out because I completely respect if there's someone here who lives here, there's nowhere else to go. They don't want some kid turning up and like shoving the camera in the face and that. So like, I call out. This is mad. I call out, so if someone's here and you know, they want to be left alone, and that's fine. We'll leave them to it. Now, I just noticed I walked past the roof entrance. Roof entrance? Right here. Jesus Christ. More of a ladder. Oh. I put myself through some weird shit sometimes, man. Oh. Do thank the laps. We're putting you up there. I'm crouching a bit here because it's quite a busy area. Holy shit, we made it, we fucking did it, we fucking did it. We'll give a quick shout out to the Master Explorer, I'll tag him below. He showed me this, well, he didn't show me the location, but he showed me how to get into this location. I couldn't have done this video without him, the same as the past two videos I've actually done, all thanks to him. So go check him out, he's an amazing guy, he does some awesome places. Yeah, he's got some insane content and he's got way bigger balls than me, so go check him out. We did a live stream on Instagram because the camera died. The camera's still dying. We're doing a live stream on Instagram of the building, which I thought would be fun. Look, Bess, you're on camera. Say hi. Oh, I said, yeah, you're welcome to come.